Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then, if you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up. Tap on Allow in Notifications 1 and click on Browse at the bottom in the middle. Then select Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!